Hey guys, it's Backroads from Backroads Gaming. Here we go. We're going to get started today with video number 1 of my Mix It Up Bot tutorial to increase viewer retention and viewer interactivity on your stream for Twitch affiliates and Twitch partners. Today's date is, what are we looking at? Today is the 27th of October, 2021. This is a feature that you will be able to utilize and use. Honestly, the sky's the limit. Before we get started, I would like to give a huge shout out to today's sponsors, Raid Shadow Legends.
Choose your champions. Upgrade your artifacts. Unlock thousands of unique skills. Upgrade your armor. Level up. Unlock over 66 unique combat masteries. No cartoons here. You want real warriors? You've got it.
Raid Shadow Legends is now available on desktop.
You can click the link in the description below and join me as well as the rest of the Backroads Gaming community here in Raid Shadow Legends today. Alright guys, so here we go. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to assume that you are an affiliate or a partner here on Twitch, and I'm going to assume that if you've never had it, you do not have the Mix It Up app. So let's start with that. Here we go. So here's my home screen, dashboard kind of thingy mabobber. Let's go ahead and hit the Google. Here we go. Here it is, guys. On the Google, you just got to type in Mix It Up Bot. Should be your top one there. MixItUpApp.com is where it's going to be at. The link will be in the description. All you'll have to do is click the download button, and download the installer is what I recommend. However, you can do the zip version. Go ahead and run through the process, change it if you need to, the directory and everything like that. When you get to the sign in, you are going to, assuming that you have this, sign in with your bot account first. If you do not have a bot account, that's okay. Sign in with your account. If you do have the bot, sign in with the bot first, then sign in with your account. From there, it's going to bring you to this lovely page right here. Let's go ahead and clear the chat so you guys don't have to see that. Kind of see exactly what you're going to be looking at. Now, on the dashboard that you're seeing here, on the right, you're going to have your viewers. Not exactly accurate when monitoring the number of viewers watching on Twitch. So let's ignore that. Now, the next thing that we're going to pull up, you are going to go to your dashboard, which should look something like that. From there, what we're going to do is we're going to go over on the left-hand side, and you're going to see this category labeled Viewer Rewards. Go ahead and open that up. You should see channel points, emotes, and drops. If you're not affiliated yet, you should only see drops. We're going to click on channel points. Now, assuming that you have not already activated these, you're going to enable channel points by clicking this little button. Let's not do that. You're just going to click that little button right there to turn it on. Now, under Customize Points Display, you should see points as the number that's on there. We're going to go ahead and click Edit. I want you to think of a name, something that's going to match your stream, your personality, your brand. In my case, Boots. So I went ahead, I've got the graphics drawn up for some little boots, 28, 56, and 112 pixels. And it has to be less than 25 kilobytes. From there, you're going to hit save. That's going to give you the little icon here. These images are not, and let me specify this and clarify this. They are not required. This is only something if you really want to step up the flare, if that makes sense. Once you're done, you're going to hit save. It's going to bring you back to this page here. From there, you're going to have manage rewards and challenges. Now, right out the gate, you're going to have these default rewards. Highlight my message, unlock emote, send a message in sub, choose an emote to unlock, and modify a single emote. Pretty simple. White buttons off, purple buttons on, assuming that you're running on dark mode. It's easier on my eyes. I like it. I think it's prettier. But let's get into how Mix It Up Bot is going to make this interactive for your viewers. So the one thing that a lot of viewers really enjoy doing is creating clips, whether it's your absolute worst moment or one of your best moments in the stream. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a custom reward. You're going to click that button right there, and it's going to take you to a page similar to this. You're going to title the reward what you want, throw a description if you want, and we're going to put a cost. I've got 10 channel points. Honestly, it doesn't take too long to get that. Most viewers is going to get 220 points per hour. Subs can get up to 440 points per hour. Now, once you've got your cost set, you've got your name, you've got your description. Again, description is optional. You're going to come down here to the bottom. Cooldown and limits. Do you want to turn that on? Completely up to you. Skip reward requests queue. Only future viewer requests will skip the queue for the review. Wouldn't worry about that too much, honestly, at least not for this particular one. I have the cooldown and limits turned off for this one, but if you wanted to turn it on, you can. You click the button, you can set how many times, what's the cooldown, how many times per minute. And like I said, I like to leave that off. So if you set this at 10, that means every 10 minutes, somebody can clip. So I like that off. You can also, the number of redemptions per stream and the number of redemptions per user per stream. If you see that you're getting somebody that's getting really trolly, for lack of better words, with the clips, maybe look at setting that. From there, you're going to hit save. Right. You have now created your first viewer reward. Now, you can redeem the boots and it'll say clip. Doesn't do anything yet. So now, we're going to go into Mix It Up Bot. We've got it downloaded already, so let's go ahead and start with what we need to do. You're going to click on these 3 little lines here in the corner, and you're going to scroll down to the bottom. You're going to look for services. Under services, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to activate everything that you utilize. Anything in here that you use, you're going to want to activate. The developer API and the Stream Deck, I would hold off on them for a little while because it takes some time. It takes a lot of time. Now, I personally use Pixel Chat. My voice mod is having issues right now, so I've got that disabled. Streamloots, Tiltify. We'll cover Streamloots in another video. Twitter, Discord, Streamlabs, and Stream Elements. These 2 I would highly recommend linking those if you don't have them already. And then you're going to link your broadcast software. I, for instance, am using OBS Studios at the moment. Streamlabs OBS Studios, otherwise known as Slobs. So you'll notice that this has the check mark beside it. The last thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to activate the overlay. So you're going to click on this little overlay button and then click on this link. It'll open up a link here in the browser and then just copy it. It's going to be the exact same for everybody, so not a big deal. From there, you're going to go into your broadcast software. Doesn't matter which one you use. And you're going to add a source. And you're going to add a browser source. Set it to whatever you're streaming. So in my case, 1920 by 1080. Set that. Good to go. And then if you are live, you can hit test connection. If I hit test connection now, it's going to say successful. 1 overlay is connected in total. That's because I'm recording. So there you go. Now, anything that you do via your Mix It Up bot will function properly over on your stream. So let's jump into getting those channel points making bright and shiny. So where do we go next? You guessed it, channel points. Here we go. So as you can see, I have a lot of stuff faded. Let's go that side. A lot of stuff's already in there. Some of these you're going to see as duplicates. That's okay. I'm actually going to go ahead and I'm going to delete that one. And I'll walk through setting it up for you. So what you're going to do first, you're going to not see anything here. So you're going to click Add Command to Existing Reward. This just prevents any headaches or duplicate rewards in your dashboard that way. You don't want to do that. So the first thing you'll do, under Reward Name, you're going to click on that. And you're going to go down and find clip. So in your case, you should only have one, or whatever you titled it. In my case, like I said, it's clip because it's a clip function. You're going to click on that. And then at the bottom, you're going to click on Action. Now, in Action, what we want to do is we want to go down and scroll through here, and we're going to find Twitch. And we're going to add it. Now, once we've added Twitch, it gives us a list of options of what to do. So you can host, raid, VIP, un-VIP, run an ad, clip, stream marker, update rewards, create a poll, create a prediction. we want to do clip. Now, you don't have to do this, but I like it just for the ease. Clicking on show info in chat. And what that does is once the clip is made, it'll put a link in the chat with the clip on it. I personally turn off the delay. I'm not a huge fan of it. So, you know, you can leave that off. Then all you're going to do is you're going to click save. Once you've clicked save, if you hit the test command and you are live, it'll take a couple seconds and then it will automatically put a link in the chat showing the clip itself. That's it. That you've added one feature to allow your stream to make clips of you. So until the next video, guys, you guys have fun. Enjoy your games. We'll see y'all later. Hey guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, if you found any sort of help or assistance from this, do me a favor. Smack that subscription button. Smack that notification bell. That way you get notified when my tutorials go live to help you out.